Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Genshin Impact. The process is actually pretty simple, so let's just get into it. So to do this, you're going to need access to some sort of web browser such as Google or Safari. I'm going to be doing this on my computer, but this will also work on an Android or iOS phone. So once you're on Google or whatever, all you want to do is search for Genshin Impact redeem code. When you search that up, you should see this link here as one of the top options from Hoyoverse. It'll say redeem code Genshin Impact Hoyoverse. So go ahead and click on that. And now you should be taken to this page here. If for some reason you can't find this page when searching this up, you can just type in this URL right here. So the next thing you're going to want to do is click on login to redeem right above where you redeem your code at. And now you want to go ahead and log in to the Genshin Impact account that you want to redeem your code on. You can either log in using your email and password here, or you can log in using one of these methods. Alright, so once you log in, the next thing you want to do is select the server that you play on. So I play on America, so I'll select that. And then once I do that, it automatically gets my character for me. So then all you need to do is enter in your redemption code and then click on redeem. On the side here, it says after redeeming a code, you will receive the redeemed item via in-game mail. So make sure you check that. You can also go ahead and read all this to make sure you know what you're doing when redeeming your code. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.